Hey you, looking for a delicious and healthier way to enjoy French fries? Well, then you're in the right spot. What sets this recipe apart from the others is how we control its fat, sodium content, and flavor. Let's get started. First, grab 4 medium potatoes and cut them into fries. The shape is called a bâtonnet. If you want to learn how to master that cut, check out our Cut Like a Chef video. Keep in mind that fries shrink during the cooking process, so we recommend cutting them into a medium or small size. Smaller fries cook faster and are easier to control. Also, leave the potato skin on for your French fries, as they add a good amount of fiber to the meal. Now that our French fries are cut, this next step is crucial. Place them into a bowl of cold to room temperature water for 30 minutes. This helps pull out the excess starch, which allows the fries to crisp up during cooking. Once the fries have soaked, drain the water and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. While this step isn't required, it's essential if you want crispy fries instead of limp ones. Next, transfer the fries into a mixing bowl and toss them with your choice of oil. We recommend avocado oil. It's neutral in flavor and packed with heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. If you don't have avocado oil, olive oil works great too. Now, season with your favorite spices. We used about a tablespoon of each onion powder and garlic powder. Once mixed, lay the fries on a baking sheet coated with cooking spray. Be sure to spread them out into a single layer. This helps them cook evenly. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. Then flip the fries and cook for another 10 minutes. By baking instead of frying, we use far less oil while still getting crispy, delicious results. It takes a little longer, but trust us, it's worth it. While the fries bake, let's make the perfect homemade aioli to go with. Dice 3 garlic cloves and place them into a mixing container. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of tarragon, and 1 egg. Then pour in 1 cup of the same oil that you used for your fries. Blend until you get a smooth, creamy aioli. While you can mix this by hand, an immersion blender will save you time. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to taste. This aioli is packed with heart-healthy fats, protein from the egg, and antioxidants from the mustard and fresh herbs, all without the preservatives and additives found in the store-bought versions. Now let's check on our fries. If you flip them, they should be golden brown and crispy on both sides. Transfer them into a bowl and toss them with your favorite seasonings. In our demo, we used garlic, parsley, rosemary, and Parmesan, and that's it. These fries are a favorite here at the Teaching Kitchen, and we can't wait for you to try them. Once again, these fries are all about control. We get to control the amount of oil, the amount of salt added, while keeping the flavor. And also, feel free to pair them with your favorite lean protein and vegetables to create a balanced meal. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, see ya.